to all my friends out there, hi you guys. I just walked in the door and I put all my groceries away pretty much. And so I have a new recipe for Vienna sausage and I'm excited. So what I made was I made some iced tea. I bought these iced tea packets, and I'll try it. It's sugar-free. It should be pretty good. These were 25 cents each, and you get I think it's 6 packets. And so each packet makes 6 cups. So I made half a packet because I try to restrict my tea drinking. So I was in 99 cent only. And the lady in front of me had a lot of Vienna sausage, and I thought, wow, I wonder if she has a good recipe, and she did. And I'm going to be making that in a second. So, okay, you chop your Vienna sausage up in bite-sized pieces. You know, all the good recipes I have gotten are from some lady or some guy who makes it all the time. So you fry the Vienna sausage and you add onion and you add tomato and black pepper. And then you make scrambled eggs. I go, wow, that's easy. I'm going to make that. So I got my new pan here, you guys, finally. What's good about this is it's only going to take a minute, you know. A lot of times you're very, very hungry and you don't have patience for waiting. You need food like right away. So I'll put onion first. And then I'm using my food pantry food. And look, my Pioneer Woman cast iron skillet, it's ready to go, but I seasoned it with a little bit of oil. So I have 2 eggs, and I got these really nice eggs at the food pantry, and I thought, wow, these are really nice, and they don't expire. Well, one was missing. So I guess that's why they were given to the food pantry. And I just happened to be there, I guess, at the right time. So I stockpile powdered milk. And I search around for the cheapest possible price. And I got this for $3.99 at Walmart. I was mixing up 2 cups, but I wasn't drinking 2 cups. I should be drinking at least 2 cups a day. You want to get, you know, I've been watching these videos, you know, on getting healthy, and they always start out, I was an unhealthy wreck and I almost died, and then now they're on a diet that does not include whole food groups. So I reject all of those diets. I just try to find like a balanced diet. I think it's the safest. You know, meat, carb, dairy. You really don't want to be running out of dairy, you know. This is looking good. And then the only other thing you need to add is pepper. You know, sometimes it's the same old food, but it's just nice if it's cooked in a different way, you know. And you guys get a book and check out the comments and write the comments in the notebook. In your notebook. Or, you know, keep track of the recipes. This meal can't be more than about $1. It really can't. Wow, I love these pans. You guys should buy some. The Pioneer Woman. Another thing I like about the Pioneer Woman stuff is it's really, really pretty. My eggs are almost done. One of the things that sells really good at the swap meet is cast iron skillets. I've never really had them. And then I got a lot of bread at the food pantry. And one of the, thank you Jessica, one of the followers said make breadcrumbs because, you know, I have a lot of bread. So what I want to do is use up all the food I have and all the food that I got at the food pantry. This looks good. Look at this. And it only takes a minute. Another thing I read in if it was bad, I did it to my pots and pans. I really did. You're not supposed to plunge your hot ceramic pans in cold water. I thought, wow, how did you guys know? Every bad thing. Look at my eggs. I want to encourage you guys, if you need food, if you need a stockpile, go to the food banks. You know, don't hang on to your pride to your own detriment. Today at the food bank I went to on Thursday, they had a food pantry thing. On Saturday, it's once a month, and you can go. From what I heard, they dispense a lot of food on that Saturday, the last Saturday of the month. This looks good. Take a look at this, you guys. All right, let's take a bite. The lady said, I love it that way. I thought, yeah, it certainly does sound good, and it's a $1 meal. I'm going to be searching around. Yummy, my mouth is watering. Let's try this. I assume you're supposed to eat this with, yummy, look at this. Just when you thought you knew everything, you don't. You have your vegetable, you have your protein or dairy, wherever you want to count it. You have some bread, so you're not going to be going into ketosis. This bread is really tasty. See, I ate a little bite to try it out. Thank you for all the nice comments. Thank you for all the comments. All the comments were really, really helpful, and I really, really like getting them, and I like to read them all. If I haven't given you a heart or answered your comment, that's because I haven't gotten to it yet. But I tried to get to all the comments because everybody, I don't delete or block people generally, because how are you supposed to converse if you've got a tyrant blocking your comments? It's not gonna work. Check out Grocery Outlet, you guys, and keep your eye out for the cheapest possible price on powdered milk. That one's going to give you a dairy. You can substitute some egg and some cheese for protein. I don't think it's a good idea to do it all the time. And consider the food pantries. if you need food. I mean, if you don't need any food, then, you know, you don't want to be selfish. These are nice for the stockpile. I usually eat those like in top ramen, or, you know, I just fry them. But this little bit of onion and tomato is very, very tasty. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.